shirt actually in my car.
He's afraid he's gonna ruin his shirt.
What's the one that's still on his shirt?
I got some crap.
Oh, the jacket.
Let's get him a bib.
Chris's jacket.
Somebody took a napkin into his shirt.
Alright, are you ready? Hey, you doing, Faye?
Alright. I got your time going as well.
Oh, you do?
Well, it's got a timer on the
This is gonna be
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
3,
Pick it up.
2, 1, go. Oh my gosh! He is an animal! Oh my gosh! There's pickle juice everywhere! Wait, I think you passed out. You're alright, Rose. You got this.
He hit the pickle wall.
Oh my gosh! The head nodding! The head nodding is...
Oh, slow and steady. Slow and steady.
Oh, Rose has got this! No, he's not done! He's not done yet!
He has photo.
Oh, this is really
Oh
close.
man! It's coming down to the wire.
I can't believe you're gonna play bumper.
No, you're not done. Yeah, you gotta eat that.
Oh, this is
Rose has got it in the mouth.
Alright, he's good.
Oh my
It's gotta be
God.
empty. It's gotta be empty.
I think he's done.
No, he's still got more. He's got more. Rose is done. Rose is done.